how are you? Tweety, get off my head! Welcome to my DIY channel. In today's video, I am so inspired by the beautiful first snow outside. We're gonna be making a snowflake wreath, and we're gonna use a Dollar Tree Deco mesh, so it's gonna be beautiful and on the budget. I'm so excited. Let's get started. And if you like what you see, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because there's so many more DIYs on a budget coming up, okay? Let's get started. It's a winter wonderland here in New Jersey. I thought I'll take you along with Coco and I on a quick walk. You wanna come along? Come on, join us. Unfortunately, most of the roads are snow covered, so we didn't get far, but I hope you enjoy that. My son wrapped Coco in a warm blanket, and we're just gonna warm up at the hot cocoa bar. Not sure if you saw that video, but it came out so cute, right in time for the snowstorm. And now let's get to crafting. I'm so excited because we're gonna be making this out of all Dollar Tree items except my choice of ribbons. Very budget friendly. You're gonna need 6 rolls of Dollar Tree Deco mesh, and I recommend this one. It's called Snowball Deco mesh, and it doesn't fray. It's great. However, any other deco mesh will work, 6 inches wide, and I'm gonna show you a very easy method. We're gonna work with the standard 14-inch wire form. I was excited to see it in silver. Usually they have it in green. In addition, you're gonna need color coordinating ribbons, and this is what I had on hand. Also, you are going to need about 20 pipe cleaners and some decorative items like snowflakes or little ornaments, things like that. Everything from the Dollar Tree. I just realized, look at this beauty. It's actually double-sided. How pretty. Of course, Tweety loves anything that's shiny. First, we're going to cut the deco mesh, and I'm going to be using my sophisticated tool, a little piece of cardboard 8 by 8. Simply wrap the whole roll of deco mesh on the cardboard and then cut along both sides. It's a quick, easy trick to get all your pieces the same size, 6 by 8. I just realized something funny. Look at that. Tubes for the white deco mesh are much bigger. Still same amount of deco mesh. The blue deco mesh is definitely thicker. I think they put more snowballs on it. Too funny. Well, anyway, next we're gonna cut our pipe cleaners in half. We don't need those long pieces. Next, we're going to cut our ribbons slightly longer, 9 inches wide. Next, fold each piece in half, then in half alongside, and cut in an angle towards the wired edge. When you open, you're going to have fishtails on both sides. Quick and easy. We're going to need a total of 24 pieces. I have 12 white, 12 blue. Next, we're gonna make little bundles of deco mesh. You're simply gonna roll the opposite corners of deco mesh towards the center. Very loose roll like that. And you can pinch it with your clothespin for now. And then you take the second color, if you have 2 colors, and you roll again, pinch it together, and you're actually gonna crisscross them, just like so, and tie them with the pipe cleaner in the middle. Very simple little bundle, just like that. Now we're gonna make the second one, exact same way. Roll up the corners towards the center, pinch it. Now we're gonna do the white one. We crisscross them. And in this case, we're gonna add the ribbon on top. And we're gonna tie it in the middle with the pipe cleaner. Very easy. And now we're gonna do the third bundle, exact same way. Crisscross. And when I have a blue curl on top, I'll add the blue ribbon. When I have the white curl on top, I add the white ribbon. Doesn't have to be that way, but I like to do it so I don't forget to switch the colors of the Deco mesh. And then we just tie it in the middle, and just like that we have 3 bundles done. So we're gonna fill up the whole wreath with 3 types of bundles. One with the blue ribbon, one with the white ribbon, and one without any ribbon. As you can see, all of them are kind of different, messy. It's okay, they don't have to be perfect. They're gonna make the wreath dimensional and fun. Here's our form. As you can see, it's divided in 6 sections and it has 4 rails. We're gonna be attaching our bundles to the 2 middle rails, just like so. Just twist tie it a few times, make sure your bundles under tightly. So that's blue ribbon. Now we're gonna do no ribbon. It's a little bit awkward for me to tie it in that section, but I want you to see it well. And now we're gonna do the white ribbon. All right, so we got 3 bundles down. As you can see, they fill out half a section. So we're gonna make 3 more. All right, let's attach them now. All right, we got the first section done. So 6 bundles in one section. And here's a look from the back. Sometimes you forget how many you attached. So you flip to the back and you quickly count the pipe cleaners. So we got 1 section done and we have 5 more to go. You can quickly count that it takes 36 bundles to do a whole wreath. I like to make 3 at a time and then attach them. That way I don't get them mixed up and confused. But you might like to make all of them at once and then attach them at once. Whatever works for you, okay? The bottom line is that this is a very easy method and anybody can do it. Do not hesitate, okay? And look at my cutie in her sweater. Let's fill up that wreath. All right, so we got half done. And just in case, if you missed anything about those bundles, let me show you one more time. You crisscross the 2 curls on top of each other, just like so. Tie with the pipe cleaner in the middle. And we have the first bundle without any ribbons. For the second bundle, you do exact same thing, just add a ribbon on top of it. If you fold your ribbon in half, it's easier to find a midpoint. And you add it on top and tie it with the pipe cleaner. That's how you do a second type of a bundle. And third one, just add a different type of ribbon. Easy enough, right? All right, let's continue filling this baby up. Yay, the last section, last 6. And now just fluff up your ribbons, and you know, the messier the better, because I think it really looks like a snowflake. So So you're gonna wind up with 4 leftover pieces of your Deco mesh. I'm not gonna use them. If you do, you're gonna have 2 extra bundles. I don't know where to stick them because we have 6 sections, so I'm just leaving them out. But it's up to you. If you see any hole, you might wanna use it. So here it is. I think it came out very cute and it's nice and full. Take a look. So pretty, right? I think it's gonna be my first wreath in a long time that I'm not gonna attach a bestie bow to it. It doesn't need one. And I really love the look of the snowball mesh here. I wonder if any of you worked with it before. Please comment down below and let me know. You might remember that earlier in the season we made a Christmas tree using that Deco mesh. It also came out so adorable. You might want to check out this video. What is it, Tweety? Wait a minute, I think Tweety is trying to tell us something. We should use the snowflakes? All right, let's decorate the wreath with the snowflakes. We have various sizes from the Dollar Tree, and here's a big one. I think I want to place it in the center. Just like so. I think it's going to look so cute. But it's up to you. If you don't want to, you could be done at this point. Just going to apply a little bit of hot glue at the tips of the snowflake and attach it from the back. Oh, that's so pretty. And now I want to attach this snowflake. It's smaller, but it's more ornate, so it will even add more interest to the center. I just don't want to glue any Deco mesh that's on top over there. So pretty. Look at that. And now I want to add those little snowflakes all around the wreath. They come 6 in a pack, but guess what? I used one for the little tree that I made earlier, so I have only 5. I have to just watch my spacing here, but when you do it, you're going to have 6. You're going to put 1 in each section. That's going to be very easy to distribute them around. And you're going to place them over there on that bottom rail. Right here. Once you're sure of the placement, you're going to flip your wreath on the other side, and it's going to be very easy to hot glue it. And here's a close-up. As you can see, I attached that snowflake in 3 places, and I even reinforced with the pipe cleaner that's already there. Just put it on top of your hot glue and that will hold your snowflake even better. All right, let's take a look at the whole thing. Beautiful, isn't it? And I'm debating if I should be even adding those ornaments. Well, they color coordinating. I might as well. And I always like to add a cherry on top. How about these snowflake lights? I got these at a Dollar Tree a while ago, but they come with a green wire. So let me just put it from the back so it's not going to be visible. As you can see, I wrapped these around the inner rail, and I'm a little bit annoyed because these lights are so short that it's not even enough to wrap the whole wreath. You see this? I wish we had at least one more light bulb. I'm not taking these off now. I'm just going to add the battery pack right there. Just want to make sure that the light switch is convenient, like right there at the bottom within my reach. And I'm just going to add hot glue right there on those rails where it's going to rest. And now let's see where we want to place these ornaments. As long as they're not in line, some are up, some are down. I think it's better like that for your eye to be moving. And then just add a little bit of hot glue underneath each. All right, I'm gonna stop here. Let's take a look at the final result. Let me know how do you like it. You ready for a surprise? You know how I complain about the lights that they're green wire and they're too short? Well, look at this. How amazing is that? Oh my goodness, totally unexpected. Look at this amazing blue light beaming from the center. And it's not just on camera, it really does look like that. Transforms the whole reef into something else. Wow. Let me know how do you like it. Alright, my besties, so this is it for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you like that, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you're gonna know when we're back here with a new video. And have a very Merry Christmas, okay? See you next time. Bye bye.